The main project we are dealing with is the advanced fake news detection using web scraping and NLP from Team Mad Max. So the main flowchart looks like this. Just by using first, the user enters the data into a text input and the front end, and it goes directly into the database and checks whether it's in present database or not. Otherwise, it goes into the social scraper from Google News or on the official websites. Instead of your social media, we are using the official web news websites. And after that, we are performing data pre-processing and data processing, and it's giving it to the model, and the model predicts the information. So how the model gonna work is, first we are inputting the basic models from sklearn, that model selection, train, test, split, like that. And from NLTK we are importing stop words. Stop words is the main reason is that we are just in the process of pre-processing. We are just removing the stop words from the text inputted by the user. So another one is feature extraction from TDF IDF vectorizer. So we are using the TDF IDF vectorizer to convert the text words into the vector, so that direct text can be understood by the machine. So we are converting the text into the vectors and making the machine understand it. So, and coming to word up, this is a simple method which removes, like using the regular expression, which removes certain expression from the text to make the easy processing. And from sklearn import data ITF, and we are mainly focused on the logistic regression. So as it produce slightly more accuracy regarding compared to other one. So as we can see here, we have pickled a model, we have saved a model, pre-trained model uh, for the logistic regression. So we are just importing that. And this new testing news. So it just opens the model and just applies the word op method. And TE, this just tries fake or real. And we are creating a text input here. And the main front end we are using the Streamlit application. Yeah, and for another main thing is we are using text blob, which differentiates between a normal sentence and the news. It differentiates between the news whether the given input by the user is a text or news. So that's the main reason we have set the threshold value between 0.3 to 0.05, and this whole diff function comes under the text testing whether it is a statement or news. Yeah, and if the news entered by the user entered in the text input, it goes into the method, it calls the method, and just it with the help of the pickle we saved it predicts the output. Yeah, coming to web scraping part. So as compared to web scraping, we are using requests and some API called embedding. So coming to the API part, we have used an API key to generate the result. So the main reason for doing this is the just comparison between the entered news and the checking the news from the official sources. Like just scraping the 10 top 10 websites from the official sources and getting the information and storing the database and training the model and predicting the output with the help of the dataset. And yeah, of course, with the API. Now just doing a dot product between two vectors. Yeah, I have set a certain threshold value. So if it's less greater than 70 and less than 81, it's slightly maybe fake news. And if it's greater than 81, there are more chance of becoming true. Otherwise, as we have seen the top, we have used text block. So if it is text, not news, it directly enters here and it writes it is irrelevant. So we'll do a quick check on how does this model works. So I've just started my model. So it just looks like this, front end fake news detection. So first let's check if the sender statement is statement or it's news. Earth is flat. So let's just press enter. So yeah, I have just fixed a little bit of CSS. It is saying that it is irrelevant text, so it's not in use. So let's enter another one and let's check. As of today, we are BJP lost in Karnataka. Yeah, let's check this. Yeah, I think it's today. It's 13th of May. It's running. Yeah. It just gave the news is true. BJP Karnataka. Yeah, it may be. So let's enter another one. MS Dhoni and from IPL. Yeah, let's check this. Yeah, as we entered MS Dhoni announced retirement from the IPL, it's showing that the news not correct. Be aware. So as seen from the internet, yeah, the news is incorrect. MS Dhoni has haven't announced the retirement from the IPL. So let's check with another one. Let's check take directly from the news from the official website. Yes, let's try it. Yeah, it's showing that a train model that is true. So yeah, it's the project of advanced fake news detection using web scraping and natural language processing, as well as machine learning models like logistic regression. So, and there's one more step ahead of this, that auto populating the fake news to the author of the fake news. So yeah, we are still working on that. For yes,